I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of the channels listed below that are participating in this collaboration, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Tonight I'm going to be making some extra fancy hot dogs. It's something super easy and super simple. My husband just received this kit and he's going to be making some fancy hot dogs. We're having friends over tonight and we're going to have chili, and we thought some hot dogs would go really nice. We are going to use some seasoning by Slot Dog. It's called Smoky Sweet and Savory Rub. With some onions and cheese on top, we're going to set out some ingredients and everybody can fix up their own hot dog just the way they like it. We have some special soft gourmet buns, and we'll make these hot dogs extra special. I think they're going to be extra pretty as well. We're going to put these hot dogs on our smoker grill. I'm going to get busy chopping some onions to go on top of the hot dogs. These will also be really good in our chili. Here are the hot dogs all done and fixed up. They look delicious. The seasoning caramelized on the outside. They smell so good. I am so glad you are here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be so happy if you check out the other channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.